Hello everyone, I hope you're ready for some fun with painting. I am really excited to play with these colors again. The last time I did this color combination it came out absolutely beautiful. I've added one color to the mix for today, but I think it's going to be wonderful. Today we're going to work with a 12 by 12 Artist Loft Gallery wrapped canvas, and we've got our tape and our push pins on the bottom, so we are all ready to go. And I debated on how I was going to pour this today. I thought maybe an open cup, maybe a funnel pour, maybe a what I've decided to do is I'm going to play with a flip cup. I haven't done flip cups in a while, but instead of a big flip cup, I'm going to play with a batch of little bitty flip cups. So I got all these little bitty 3-ounce cups, and we're going to fill them all up and then flip them around the canvas to try and get something a little different. And we'll see how that works. I'm really enjoying these colors. So let's go through the colors. Most of these are leftovers, but I pulled their bottles back out so I could show you what we're working with. So our first color is Mars Black by Arteza. Next is Deep Violet by Liquitex Basics. Next up is Cadmium Orange Hue by Liquitex Basics. I'm putting that where you can see. Next we have Arteza Crimson Red. We have one of my new favorites. This is Folk Art Treasure Gold in the Fire Opal. That has dried so beautifully in everything I've poured it on so far. Next is Decor Americana Decor in Copper. So that's another pretty one. And our final color is, of course, my #1 favorite, and this is the add-on. This was not in this combination the first time I did it, but I thought I'd throw in a little Decor Americana Decor in the 24 karat gold, just to give us a little more. All right, so let's fill these flip cups and see what happens. And I want to do them each a little differently, so I'm not going to stack them all exactly the same. I guess we're just gonna have to go with that, and I can add some flow extender if I need to. All right, let's move these to the side. We'll flip them one at a time. All right. One there, one there, one there. We're going to let those sit a minute, let all the paint run down. Put some holes to let some air in there. Run a little better. this outside edge, help the paint flow a little better. Just a little around the outside to make it flow better. Okay. Let's start tilting. To redo this because already I'm not liking it. Maybe once I stretch it enough, it'll look nicer, but the sides aren't looking very good. They're an important part of the paint, so if I can't get the sides to look nice, definitely going to need more paint. Did not put enough paint here. Thought I had enough, but it's moving really slow. Okay, we're going to need to add. Alright, let me pause you a minute while I clean up my hands and get some more paint together, because we're going to need to add a little something here. Hold on, guys. Okay, sorry for the little pause. I made up some more paints. I made up this little flip cup, and even though it's very hard to flip onto what's already flipped, that's what I'm going to do because there really isn't enough paint here. The sides really didn't get covered, and even though I love some of what's going on here, it needs more. So here goes nothing. Flipping onto an already painted canvas is always a mess. And we're just going to let that go for a minute. Let's torch that a sec, and then we will let that run a bit. Tilt that around and see what we get. Alright, it is tilting time. So I want to really stretch out and push this around the whole canvas. So we get everybody covered more, and it's going to push some of this existing paint over the sides and help my sides out. Get a full tilt around. Just that little bit. Sorry, you're getting to see the back there for a minute, but that's looking so much nicer now. But I need to get that last corner there. This corner over here really needs a little help. Try and get some of these sides to clean up a bit. Definitely improved the sides. I'm liking the top a lot better. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so much better. Now we're getting more what I wanted. That purple really is standing out. Now I'm seeing all the colors a little better. That's interesting. Movement in the piece. Never settle. It's not right. Do it over, add the paint. Figure something. Alright, let me do a little finishing work here. These little spots here that really need a little help. Especially when you're dealing with a gallery wrap canvas with these big sides. Your sides are important. If you didn't want pretty sides, why are you using the gallery wrap canvas? Now, if you're not going to go to the extra effort, don't get the large canvas. Just get the one with the little sides that you don't have to worry about as much. But I really like to ensure that my sides are as pretty as the rest of my painting. Alright, let me clean up my hands a bit, take off these gloves. I'll clean up my edges just a little bit more and I'll bring you down for a close-up. Hold on. Okay, I've cleaned up the edges and I've moved it over here to the dry table. Hopefully we won't get too much light glare over here. Look at some of these interesting areas. Look at the way the cells played. This with the fire opal and the cadmium orange. Over here where we have the red and the violet playing together a little bit. This whole area here, loving all the cells. The violet really was bright in this. Look at the violet up here. Got this cute little ring thing going on over here and some more cells popping up. And then this burst of violet. But even in the violet, look at these little cells just popping up. Loving some of this. Alright, we're going to let this sit and dry. And look, see, I even made sure that those edges, see your edges, those are important, people. And you want them to flow with the pattern up top. That's important. Alright, we're going to let this sit and dry, and I'll take some more pictures to add to this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.